Hey, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about the principles that I personally learned from the Bible that have made me millions and millions of dollars. One thing that I do know is when it comes to finances, the word money is mentioned over 2,400 times in the Bible. And so listen, I'm a wholehearted believer in this, and my spirit confirmed it, that God doesn't have a problem with money unless you have a problem with money. And so I think it's important that you have a very healthy relationship with money. And I think it's very important that if you want to learn how to create wealth and leave an inheritance for your family, that you start in the Bible, primarily in the book of Proverbs. In the book of Proverbs 22, it talks about this. So for those of you that you're like a get money at all costs type of a person, Proverbs 22, in my opinion, rebukes that. And so it talks about that a good name is more desirable than great riches. That a good name, your name, whatever your name is, it's more desirable than great riches. Don't sell your soul for money. So number one, if you're on the path to create wealth for yourself, wealth for your family, make sure that you're not jeopardizing your core beliefs and your core values. And so number one, that's the first thing that the Bible taught me was, hey, it's not bad to want to go get money. Just don't jeopardize the biblical values in the process, right? Don't sacrifice your family. Don't sacrifice your faith on the altar of success. So that is rule number one. That is the first Bible verse that I'll point you to. If you're looking to generate a lot of money, don't jeopardize your name, because it says in the good book that a good name is more desirable than great riches, to be esteemed better than silver and gold. Next Bible verse is Proverbs 12:11. Proverbs 12:11, it says, he who works his land will have plenty of bread, but he who chases worthless pursuits lacks sense. Think about that. You hear it all over the internet, multiple streams of income. I'm doing 15 different businesses. I'm chasing all these different rabbits. It says in the good book that he who works his land, whoever works his land will have plenty of bread. But he who follows worthless pursuits lacks sense. You might be in real estate. You might be in the life insurance business like I'm in. You might be in the mortgage business. Maybe you have a heating and cooling business. And someone comes to you with a great idea. Hey, invest in this e-commerce store. And listen, I've been fooled by them all. Okay. So I'm talking to you from wisdom, from experience, that you got to work your land. Whatever business that you're doing, what if you put 100% of your mind, body, spirit into that one thing and just watch that thing flourish? Blew that business up. So don't chase worthless pursuits. Crypto this, e-commerce this, side hustle, right? Like the word side hustle. Last time I checked, all the millionaires and billionaires that I know don't have side hustles. Success leaves clues, guys. Every successful person that I know, I'm talking real wealth, $100 million net worth, $500 million net worth, $1 billion net worth. They all generated their wealth from one primary focus, one business. They blew up. And then, yes, of course, if you want to invest into other things, you can down the road, but be careful not to chase worthless pursuits. It says it in the good book that you don't want to do that. Proverbs chapter 23, verse 7. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. You got to be careful. Have you ever heard about the thing? Think about what you think about. One of my mentors, Jim Surace, back in the day. And just so you know, this video is inspired by Jim. Jim transformed my life. Jim, shout out to you. Thank you. And, because of your mission, a lot of people are being touched right now in their mind and their spirit. And so I'm going to leave you with that here today. That maybe you're on the journey of building a business. Maybe you're very successful. Maybe you're struggling to get something off the ground. Regardless, though, the first thing that I would do is drop to your knees and give whatever you're giving, give whatever you're working on to God. Number one, it's the most powerful thing that you can do. Give your business, give it, sacrifice it to God. God, let thy will be done, not my will. This business is yours. Everything I do is for the glory of you, not for me. And Lord, all I ask is that you give me wisdom. Give me wisdom. Bless me. Give me wisdom, though, to handle the blessings that you're going to give me. Right? It says, ask and you shall receive, right? Matthew 7:07. Ask and you shall receive. God, give me wisdom. Give me the eyes to see. Give me the ears to listen. What direction do you want me to go? And then give me wisdom. Thank you for the blessings that are coming. So we know in the good book, according to Jeremiah 29:11, it says, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope for a future. And so you want to declare the blessings that are coming over your life, but also pray for wisdom that you can handle the blessings that are coming. Hey, if this video served you well, if you wouldn't mind sharing this video, commenting, subscribing, liking, all that cool YouTube-y stuff, I would appreciate it. Hey, it was a pleasure. I look forward to speaking with you on the next video. Peace.